Hello kids, today we learn alphabet. Color name: red color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, light green color, golden color. Red color: A. A for apple. A for apple. Yellow color: B. B for banana. B for banana. Sky blue color: C. C for cat. Orange color: D. D for doll. Light green color: E. E for egg. E for egg. Golden color: F. F for flower. F for flower. Red color: G. G for grape. G for grape. Yellow color: H. H for hen. Sky blue color: I. I for iron. Orange color: J. J for joker. Light green color: K. K for kite. Golden color: L. L for lemon. Red color: M. M for mango. Yellow color: N. N for net. Sky blue color: O. O for orange. Orange color: P. P for parrot. Light green color: Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Golden color: R. R for red. Red color: S. S for sun. Yellow color: T. T for tiger. Sky blue color: U. U for umbrella. Orange color: V. V for van. Light green color: W. W for watermelon. Golden color: X. X for X-ray. red color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.